Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D processors. In this video, we'll explore the key differences and similarities between these two powerful CPUs to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for a reliable processor for everyday tasks, we've got you covered. When it comes to core count, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 features 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers and general users. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D boasts an impressive 16 cores, designed for high-end gaming and content creation. This significant difference in core count means that the Ryzen 9 can handle more demanding tasks and multitasking scenarios with ease, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Price is a crucial factor when choosing a processor. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, offering great value for gamers and users who need a capable processor without breaking the bank. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D comes with a hefty price tag of $699. While it offers superior performance, this price point may not be justifiable for casual users. Therefore, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. Both processors lack integrated graphics, but they are designed for different audiences. The Ryzen 5 5600 offers standard performance suitable for everyday tasks and gaming, while the Ryzen 9 9950X3D incorporates AMD's innovative 3D V-Cache technology, enhancing gaming performance significantly. This technology allows for faster data access, making it a game-changer for high-end gaming and demanding applications. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, the Ryzen 9 is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 9 9950X3D have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 5 is perfect for budget-conscious users who still want solid performance, while the Ryzen 9 is designed for those who demand the best. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.